In this video, we'll discuss about advanced features of Microsoft Word. What is a Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing application software. We can insert pictures, clip arts, symbols, mathematical equations in this. To insert a clip art, go to Insert tab, Illustration Group and Clip Art. You can choose any one clip art. We can insert a picture also. To insert a picture, we have to go to Insert tab, Illustration Group and we can insert any picture. We can resize the picture also and we can position the picture in right place. To resize a corners and you can drag and drop and make the picture small or big in size. We can assign its height and width also. A arrow sign will appear and by dragging and dropping we can resize the picture. We can stretch the picture also. There will be 4 squares in the picture. You can drag and drop. We can cropping means to delete unwanted part of a picture. To crop a picture, we have to go to Format tab and in Size group, cropping feature is there. If you want to select your picture from a big picture, you can crop your picture from the big picture. We can change the shape of a picture. We have to go to Format tab, Picture Style group and in Picture Shape we can choose any style, any picture shape. It may be round, it may be square. For designing purpose also we can use picture shape. We can have different border style in a picture. In Format tab, Picture Style group, Picture Border option is there and we can choose any color and any type of border. As per our requirement, we can choose our border. It may be of any color and any style. We can set the effects of a picture. There are several type of effects available in Microsoft Word. We have to go to Format tab, Picture Style Group. In Picture Efforts option, we can choose any effects. It may be shadow, it may be glow, it may be soft edges, it may be bevel, it may be 3D rotation. Any type of effects we can give. We can also give 3D effects. We can position our picture as per the requirement. We can arrange the picture in top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center and middle right, bottom left, bottom center and bottom right. It is available in Format tab and Arrange group. 9 options are there. Wherever we want to keep the picture, according to our requirement, we can choose the position. We can insert different styles of text. It is available in word art and it can be of any style. Choose your style and it is available in Insert tab, Text group and Word art option. We can edit the text also. If we want to change the font style and size, we can change the font style and size also. We can edit it and we can change the font size, make it bold, italic. By default, the spacing between the letters is normal, but we can change the spacing between the letters. It may be very tight, normal, loose, very loose. By default, it will be normal only. If some of the letters of the text is small letters and we want to make it capital, then we can use even height option in text group. Format tab and text group, we are having this option even height. In this case, we are making S small, and if we will make it even height, then it will be of same height as other words, other letters. We can also have vertical text. Go to Format tab and there is an option for vertical text. We can make our text vertically. We can insert many types of shapes. Go to Insert tab, Illustration group and there is an option Shapes. We can change the shape color. In Format tab, Shape Style group, shape fill option is there. We can choose any shape fill. It may be of any color or of any picture or gradient fill or texture. In gradient fill, we can choose two colors or one color. If two color, then we can choose the colors also. And there are shading styles, many type of shading styles available. We can choose any one of them. There are several types of shape effects are there. We can choose any shape effects. It may be 3D effects or shadow effects. We can choose the color of shadow also. Any type of shadow, we can have any type of shadow. Shadow effects group, the shadow effects of option is there. Three D effect, 3D color. We can choose the depth of the 3D effect, the direction of the 3D effect. In insert tab illustration group, there is an option called smart art graphic, and in that we can choose any type of smart art graphic or pictorial representation of data. We are using this type of graphic. Suppose we want to classify animals, classify vertebrate, invertebrate, and below that you want to classify vertebrate, then you can use smart art graphic. If we want to make a single picture by using more different shapes, then we can, first of all, we have to create a picture by using different shapes, and we can group them. By grouping, it will be like a single picture, and whatever color you will apply, it will be there in both the selected part. First of all, select it and grouping option, group them. Then you can color any. If you want to ungroup it, then again select it and go to grouping option and ungroup the picture. The shapes will be individual. We can insert any symbol in our document. To insert a symbol, go to insert tab and symbol option is there. There we are having epsilon, infinity, greater than equal to, mu, multiplication, division. All these symbols which is used in daily basis are available in this symbol group. And if we want to have more symbols, then we will go to more symbols. A dialog box will appear and we can have any special characters, any font, and there are subsets also, and from the subsets you can choose any letter. If we want to use some letters regularly, then it will be stored in recently used symbols. We can select it from there also. We can insert different mathematical formula in our document to prepare a question paper of mathematics or physics or chemistry. Normally we are using Microsoft Word because Microsoft Word is having all sorts of features. We can write all scientific equations, formulas by using mathematical formulas by using this insert equation. In insert equation, all these features are there. You can write integration, matrix, e to the power of x, fraction, it will be of the form x by y. Here for an example, we are taking a quadratic equation, and a quadratic equation, the roots of a quadratic equation, as we know, minus b plus or minus of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and ABC is in this case 8, 8 and 18 respectively. Here minus b is equal to minus 8, b square means 8 square and 4ac. A in this case is 8 and C in this case is 18, and we can use the symbols to write multiplication. Two a 2 multiplied by 8. All these things can be written in Microsoft Word. We can also have header and footer. Header will be there above our document, above each page, and footer will be there below each page. Go to insert tab, header footer group, and in header option we can write the header and it will be there in each page. In insert tab, header footer group, we are having footer option and it will be below each page. To close, we have to go to close group of design tab. We can insert page number also. In insert tab, header footer group, there is a option for page number and we can write page number in each and every page. Footnote and endnote are inserted in a document to explain, comment or provide references for text in a document. Footnote is placed at the end of the page in a document and endnote is placed at the end of the whole document. We have to go to reference tab, footnotes group and insert footnote or insert endnote. Footnote will be at the end of the page and endnote would be at the end of the whole document. Here endnote we are writing end of the document. When the document will finish, it will write the footnote. We can insert text boxes in our document. We have to go to insert tab. In text group, text box option is there. We can choose any one style, and wherever we need a text box, we can put the text box, and there is an option for text box inside a text box. We can insert a text box inside a text box also, and the writing can be horizontally or vertically. Here in this case we are inserting a text box and we are writing vertically. Thank you for watching.